This video is a step-by-step guide for upgrading your EasyViz DVR firmware. First, right-click on the mouse to bring up the top menu. Select the gear icon to access your device management. Enter your username and password. Select the Advanced Settings tab on the upper left menu. Then, select the Maintenance tab on the upper left menu. From this window, select the Upgrade tab on the top. Before you select the USB upgrade button on the bottom, you'll need to grab a USB and grab a PC with internet access. Go to www.easyvizlife.com. Click on Support. Click on Download Center and then More next to the Download Center box. Scroll down to EasyViz Firmware. Locate the correct firmware for your device by cross-checking the complete model number posted on the bottom of the DVR. Once your firmware update is downloaded, use Firmware or WinZip to unzip, extract the DigiCat DAV file. Firmware is located in the EasyViz Download Center. Now, save the extracted DigiCat DAV file to a USB. After saving to your USB, plug the USB to your DVR. Ensure the USB is inserted to the open USB slot below your LAN port. In the Device Management Maintenance tab where you left off, click USB Upgrade. Select the option to upgrade using a USB upgrade from the bottom of the screen. Locate the file digicap.dav on the USB. Follow the prompt and click to start the upgrade. This will take a few minutes. Once you have completed the setup, the system will reboot to complete the upgrade process. Congratulations! You have now upgraded your firmware.